Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog and a new vlogging camera. Alex gave me my Christmas present early. Oh my god, I feel it. I just love it. I love it. It's a Sony something or other. I'll include information below, but it has one of those little like fluffy balls on the speaker. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm very excited. It makes this dreary day so much better. So we're gonna explore this camera together and see what we get up to. Can you hear him? He's getting ready and he's singing. Yeah, I don't know if you could hear him, but it's pretty good. It's Shakira. Oh my gosh, you look so good.
That's because I look good.
Portrait. It's like our life is a movie.
He's like, no one's filming me.
Oh my god, they're gonna love it. They're gonna love it.
Hey, what up, everyone?
Did you almost fall?
No, this came undone in my hand and I was holding onto it. I'm trying to figure out how we should hang these. Anyone got ideas? You'll see it at the end anyways. It'll be a wait. Thanks for being here when we need you the most. I don't know, do you want to hang them from the ceiling or... We have it on a command hook. I don't know. It's gonna look great though.
So right now this is what Courage Soar currently looks like before we add all of the details. We have our mannequins. And then we're going to be revamping this one. This is kind of our like interim holiday one. We're going to be doing like a Candyland theme. So we've been making, you guys saw the macaroons we made. We've been making like lollipops, that sort of thing. So that's going in here. But right now, today is all about Courage and Soar. Is the end result. All of the ornaments, all of the snowflakes have different things on them. This has a pretzel ornament, a little mug, some kitchen stuff, these little bauble things. Look at it. It's gonna look really good now that it's getting darker. Okay, it looks pretty dang cute. So the snowflakes have ornaments. This one is like cooking. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so hungry right now. We're about to go out to eat. It is like washing supplies, cleaning supplies. Oh, I'm so hungry. We are about to walk to Stella's for dinner. So tired. I am so tired. We are home now. I'm gonna take off my makeup, put some pajamas on, watch TV. I've heard Wednesday is good. We haven't started it yet, but I've heard it's good, so maybe we should watch that. We were watching Chainsaw Man on Crunchyroll, But I don't know if there's more episodes. They came out on Tuesdays, but there wasn't one last week, so I'll have to check that too. So I was just editing the footage from yesterday and it was super shaky. It was the setting on the new camera. So hopefully it's fixed now. Alex touched some stuff, so hopefully it's fixed now and we will be good to go moving forward. So I'm sorry if it was a little bit shaky. It was a lot of bit shaky, let's be honest, but it should be good now. And I'm gonna try and figure out if I can stabilize the footage through another, like I know Premiere Pro does it, but I don't know how to use Premiere Pro, so I don't know. I might just we might just power through and hope that it's better now. I don't feel well. Ugh.